Red Rock Casino Resort and Spa is located in Downtown Summerlin. It's a beautiful casino resort just 10 miles away from the Las Vegas Strip. I'm going to be doing a detailed walkthrough. Come check it out with me.
Check it out!
I just parked in the garage, the self-parking garage at Red Rock. We're gonna walk into the casino from the garage. There's a really nice, you'll notice when you walk through Red Rock, there's a really nice air freshener. It's a very distinct smell to Red Rock, I think. It's kind of really strong, but once you're in here, you kind of get used to it. So right from the garage, you have Juice Farm and a Starbucks to the right. And I'm just gonna walk straight so you guys can see there's a nice bar with a really beautiful chandelier. This is actually what you see when you walk in from the garage. Isn't that pretty? It's that chandelier. I like to park in that garage because it leads straight into the casino. I actually like this casino a lot. I like the way the decor is. I really like subtle brown, beige colors. And there are restrooms when you first walk in. And there's a bar, which is the Onyx Bar. It's closed now. It's actually Friday, but it's morning. And then this is their steakhouse. It's called TBones, Chophouse and Lounge. And it's actually closed. It opens for dinner. But let's take a look at their menu. They have these, if you have a player's card, which I highly recommend getting. They have some kiosks that you can just check your balance, print out any coupons you need. And I love this cafe. It's 24 hours. It's called Lucky Penny. I like their nachos here. I'm gonna actually link a picture of my nachos because I like it here. So here are just a few of my favorite things from Lucky Penny. They have a Noodle Bar. And let's look at their menu. Hopefully there's not a glare. The Noodle Bar menu. And there's their hours of operation as well. There's kind of a bar area so you can just sit if you're alone. And then the very, very small seating area in the back. Here's what I had from 8 Noodle Bar, the vermicelli and tonkatsu ramen. So Red Rock has bowling lanes called Red Rock Lanes. Let's walk in there. It's kind of early. I just hope it's open, but let's walk this way. Oh wait, here are the hours of operation for Red Rock Lanes. Okay, here we go. Red Rock Lanes. So if you come here, there are a few things you could do with the kids or the family. You can do stuff together. It doesn't have to be all gaming. And I will link my movie theater walking tour. I've got a separate video on that because you could also watch movies. And at night, on certain nights, they have cosmic bowling. And if you don't know what that is, they have like black lighting. It's kind of cool. I've actually come here with, it's a great place to just hang out with friends if you live here. You can actually buy hot food, but they also have Some vending machines for bottles of soda and energy drinks and bottles of water and chips. And how much do they cost? Oh, $2. $2 for a bag of chips. Okay. So, isn't that nice? Especially nice at night. I think it's really nice. I love the colors of Red Rock. They're just so, they're not overpowering and bright. So here is, oh, it's a welcome center. This is where you would rent your shoes and whatnot. I'm gonna come up closer, see how much that cost. Oh, here are the shoes. Hee. Oh, here's the concession stand. This is where I wanted to go. Just wanted to show you what they had. Here it is. So it's like they have nachos and pizza and loaded fries, hot dogs, just very basic things. I don't think you expect to have steak or anything here. So a whole easy cheesy pizza is $13 and a slice is $3. A whole pepperoni is $15. And this is what I was talking about. They actually have a bar in here, but it's temporarily closed. Temporarily. I was saying that so wrong in my last video. Full bar, so you can get a little boozy while you play bowling. And there's poker machines, of course. So if you're sitting at the bar, you can turn around and say, "Hey kids, how you doing?" And they're right back there. If you have kids with you and they don't want to bowl, there's a cyber quest in here. Oh, look at this, you guys. There's a Skittles machine here. I've never seen that before. Oh, there's a cyber quest in here. So you can leave the kids in here. And actually, they can't get lost if you leave them in here because the door is on the other side. So if they decide to like run, they can only get out one way. Locker rooms look like. It just looks like a regular locker room, but a retail shop in here called the Pro Shop. Wow, these are for some hardcore bowlers because they've got bowling balls and stuff in here. Back to the casino. Here's the Red Rock food court. It's always good to have a place to grab something quick rather than sitting in a restaurant. So you've got Panda Express, Fat Burger, Capriati's. Yay for the Bobby sandwich. If you guys never tried it, I highly recommend getting that. There's Rubio's Fresh Mexican Grill. And a pizza place called Side Piece. It looks like Tropical Smoothie shut down. 2 weeks ago I was here and that was kind of open. And there's a Ben & Jerry's, and next to it is a Starbucks as well. Next to the Starbucks is the Players Club. I always recommend to anyone who asks, always get a player's card. If you're going to gamble, you might as well be rewarded for what you put into the machines or play at the table games. Yep, there it is. High Limit Lounge. And of course, the High Limit Lounge. Guess where that would be located next to? Take one wild guess. The cashier's cage. Look how nice their cashier's cage is. It's in a green. I don't know if you guys can pick up on the color. It's in a green, brown color. I love the color. The really great thing about local casinos is they have live Keno games. On the strip, they do not have this. It's usually just a Keno machine, but only in local casinos like Red Rock where you see live Keno. Lounge, by the way, which is adjacent to the Sportsbook, so you can have a drink over here, watch the game, or actually go into the Sportsbook, which is pretty large. Actually, really large. I don't know if anyone's ever saw what actually happens. You actually sit down and you get your own little TV, and you look up and you do your betting on those little sheets, and then you can look up and look at the big TVs. So I don't do sports betting, but oh, and then you can go up to the counter and bet. Let's do that. See, people just sit. Excuse me. Yep. And this is where you make your sports bet. Here is the poker room. Osteria Fiorella. I'm gonna come up to it's Italian. I'm gonna come up to their menu. It's not cheap. I mean, the prices are, I think, to be expected. It doesn't open until dinner time, but we can just take a quick peek in there. This restaurant, it's a restaurant bar. It's called Yardhouse. I just think they have good food. I love their poke nachos. I recommend. They have a good happy hour too. Next to Yardhouse is Lucille's Smokehouse barbecue. See if I can get some footage of what it looks like. Yeah, here's what it looks like. Here's their menu. 2 meat or 3 meat. It's $16.99 and $18.99. There's LiQWYD Bar. It's right next to the table game. So here's, she just told me I couldn't video. Okay, so here's LiQWYD Bar. Oh, it's nice in here. Isn't it nice? Look how nice those chandeliers are. And of course, in the center, there are machines around the center of the bar. It's really nice. I've come here so many times. I've actually never sat, but I can't video the table games. But if you notice, I'm actually in the center if I do a 360. And if you're in LiQWYD Bar, you actually are sitting right next to the table games. I'm actually doing a 360-degree turn. So this is a good place to sit if you want to just see what's going on in the casino. I just came from the other side of those table games. And there's the cashier's cage in the back. And the high limit button. They also have a bingo hall. I think it's closed. But we can just take a look at what it looks like. It is closed right now, but we can just take a video of what it looks like. The food is good. It's called Hearthstone Kitchen and Cellar. It's not open till dinner, but it's good. They have an outdoor seating area as well. And on different days, they have different, Taco Tuesday. They have different things going on. We have a weekend brunch. It's good here. The doors are shut, so I won't be able to go in. I will actually link some food I've had here before. Here I am enjoying my food, and the chef came to talk about it.
Tomatoes, and then it's like a white wine tomato sauce, with capers, herbs. We top it with fennel, microgreens, and then the seared Baja Cubas. Over here is our version of patatas bravas or papas bravas.
I've actually been to their sushi place as well. It's called Blue Ribbon Sushi Bar and Grill. Let me see if I can peek in here. Excuse me. Just gonna walk in here. Peek. It's kind of dark, but. That's their menu. So walking a little bit around the casino floor. Playing the actual roulette like game live. They actually have roulette machines. I don't know, it's kind of a glare, but you can sit at one of these things and then look up and there's roulette. It's less intimidating if you just kind of want to practice a little bit. Actually, let's go up to the conference center. Again, I don't want to fall. Let's see what this looks like. I've actually never been up here. I just love the ceiling. Here we go. There's up here are the ballrooms and the conference center. Okay. It's the business center. I won't go in there, but it's nice. Okay, from the ballrooms conference center, I'm taking the escalator down. I actually think that where I was showing you guys the bar, I think that's where the hotel check-in is, which is odd because there's only a staircase leading down that way, so you actually have to walk down. I'm sure there's an elevator somewhere, but the access isn't right here. All right, so here I am down at the bar with that chandelier. And so hotel, here we go. Okay, this is hotel registration. There's the concierge desk. Oh, well, it's not very busy. And it's not labeled at all. There's nobody there. There's nobody there. Let's walk out these doors. So it's Valet in the front of the casino when you walk out those doors. And that was Red Rock. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at In and Out of Vegas.